So we're in Maryland. We're at a rest stop. We just got some gas. My over here. She's pretty much done. She's over it. And she's been asleep majority of the time. Derek is driving. He drove pretty much, well, he drove the whole time so far. And we have how many hours left?
7.5.
Yeah, 7.5 hours left.
So I drove 5 hours.
You drove 5 hours, bro?
Yeah.
Mommy, why are you not sitting there?
I don't want to sit right there.
I don't know if y'all can see that. We at the Maryland house.
No, we're at Myrtle Beach.
No, not yet, boo-boo. Almost.
Yes, we are at Myrtle Beach.
Oh, all right. So we're at Myrtle Beach and at the Maryland house. And I've been driving. I'm done driving. I'm not really tired, but I'm tired of driving. So I'm chilling now. I'm sitting in the passenger side. On our way to Myrtle Beach. We still got 7.5 hours. It's ridiculous. You know, we've been driving. I've been driving since like what? What time did we leave? What time did I leave? A long time ago. I've been driving since it said we had 12 hours. Now we got 7.5, but it says 7.5 for like a whole hour. So it's all good. I probably wasn't even vlogging anything, but I might go to sleep. I might not. So you can't even see me. There we go.
Thank you.
That's Bae back there. Small the Bae right there. My tattoos is popping. My tattoos, they popping. They popping. They popping. I look light skinned right now. Team light skin in the building.
So we made it to Myrtle Beach. I look a hot mess. Excuse the face, but I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our suite, or whatever you want to call it, hotel room. So walk in over here, laundry. So flip it. You walk down here. Walk, 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 walk. Hey, D-Stacks. The kitchen area, blurry. The stove, coffee, microwave, dishwasher, sink. Then you walk, but here's the door. So you walk in here, is the bathroom, double sinks, toilet. Shower, yeah, nothing crazy. Then you walk here, and where's the light? Oh, here it is. Oh no, turned it off. Where's the light? This is the bedroom. Has a TV. Here's the light. There's a TV. It has 2 beds, but we're not going to be doing that. And then, yes?
Why are you doing that?
I'm showing our viewers the room.
This is the bed.
Oh, I thought it was.
They had a Murphy bed.
Got the little safe
It's
right there.
Room.
You know,
It's my own room.
you go here.
It's a bed, right?
Excuse
This is
me.
exactly it, Derek.
Can you get up?
Crazy.
You know?
Get up.
That's pretty cool.
Amaya, up.
Oh, this floor is dirty. Don't be all over the floor.
She's good.
All right.
So, you think we should take that table in?
That one right there, right? Yeah.
I
was like, don't stand on that.
Everyone.
We see everybody.
Hey everybody! Make it get up the elevator and come in my house. Really?
You're hilarious.
Can I go in the water right now?
At the water park?
Want to go in the water?
Yeah. Get wet. Right now, please.
What are you doing? What do you mean, oh, nothing?
No.
You were doing something you're not supposed to be doing. What are you watching?
That blue and that.
Are you having fun on vacation?
Yeah.
What do you want to do today?
I'm gonna slide again.
You want to slide again?
Yeah, one more time.
One more time?
Yeah.
Even if it's cold out? You don't care?
Yeah, I don't care. I can care.
I can care. Okay.
Oh, my phone.
Let's go down and see
Gma.
what time the pool opens.
Um,
And we'll go down the slide one more time.
yeah.
Well, let's go to the beach first. So we just got off the helicopter ride. Here's some footage. Alright, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, that was awesome.
I didn't know they went that high.
Try to get my mom to go on with me before we leave. Super cheap.
I know how to do it.
It was fast, now that I think about it.
Yeah, we weren't up there long.
Really fast.
Team, I know how to do it on
Definitely about
myself.
it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you got it?
Mama, what do you want to do?
I want to go to the beach.
I think I'm going to do my thing with Rory on Sunday. We're going to do Charleston.
Charleston.
Chelsea.
There you go, honey. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you want to do, Derek?
Smoke cigarettes.